Learn to buy low and sell high with this simple yet effective strategy. Here is a 3-month list of closing stock prices for NVIDIA Corporation. By taking the last 20 trading days, we see that the current dip at $96.91. The current average stock price for this 20 days is $109.27. The current top is $117.37. Here's the strategy. Wait a few days until the price dips down to $99 or around the 3-month average dip and buy the stock. Buy low. Wait another few days until the price reaches the current or 3-month average top. Sell the gains for a profit. Sell high. Here is the list of the first month's closing stock price listings. Notice that it has a top and a dip. Both the top and the dip appeared within 11 days from each other with a $34 difference. Here is the list of the second month's closing stock price listings. Notice that it also has a top and a dip. Both the top and the dip appeared within 8 days from each other with a $27 difference. Here is the list of the third month's closing stock price listings. Notice that it also has a top and a dip. Both the top and the dip appeared within 12 days from each other with a $21 difference. Every month, you will find a dip and a top. This fact can help you make money by buying the dip and selling the top. Create your own list and make money by buying low and selling high within a month's time. If you would like to follow other popular stocks, go to www.companyvalueinvestor.com. Click on the Analysis Hub or picture. Here you will find some of the most popular companies that you can use to analyze and use to make your trading and investment decisions for free. You will find several different companies from every sector in the stock market. If you would like to help expand the Company Analysis Hub, please subscribe to the channel, share, and comment.